Welcome to the Cooking Basics. This is the fourth module in our series, and it's all about ingredients. You might also remember it as the stuff that goes into your mouth. But more importantly, this is the stuff that you'll use to make all the recipes in this course and beyond. So if you feel like you already know how to cook, you probably do. But by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to become a truly masterful home cook. This ingredient module is your key to unlocking culinary freedom. Mastering rice, pasta, grains, and eggs transforms your cooking from basic to brilliant. These pantry staples are incredibly versatile, forming the foundation for countless delicious and satisfying meals. First up, we have rice. Rice is a true chameleon of the kitchen, taking on the flavors of its surroundings and adapting to a wide range of cooking methods. From fluffy and aromatic basmati to creamy and decadent risotto, rice offers endless possibilities. To cook rice, start with the right water-to-rice ratio. For most long-grain varieties, use 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Bring the water to a boil, then add the rice along with a pinch of salt. Reduce the heat, cover and simmer until the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. About 18 minutes for white rice and 45 minutes for brown rice. Different types of rice require slightly different techniques. Brown rice has a nutty flavor and added fiber and takes a bit longer to cook. Wild rice has a chewy texture and earthy flavor and can be cooked like brown rice. Arborio rice is the star of creamy Italian dishes like risotto. Its starchiness and ability to absorb flavor make it perfect for this cuisine. Experiment with different types of rice and cooking methods to discover your favorites. Whether you prefer your rice as a side dish, a stir-fry component, or the base for a rice pudding, there's a technique and a type of rice for every occasion. Next, let's talk pasta. From spaghetti to penne, the world of pasta is vast, and each shape has its own unique character and purpose. To cook pasta, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package directions until al dente, which means firm to the bite. Don't overcook your pasta. It should have a little bite to it. Classic sauces like marinara, pesto, and alfredo are quick and easy to make and pair perfectly with your favorite pasta shapes. But don't be afraid to experiment with different sauce and pasta combinations. With a little creativity, you can turn ordinary pasta dishes into extraordinary meals. Now let's explore grains. Beyond rice, there's a whole world of grains to discover, each with its own unique texture and flavor. Quinoa, couscous, barley, and farro are just a few examples of the many grains available. Most grains cook similarly to rice, so you're in good company. Cook them properly, and you'll unlock their full potential in salads, soups, and as hearty side dishes. Grains are not only delicious, but also a great source of nutrition. It can help you add fiber, protein, and other essential nutrients to your diet. Finally, we have eggs. Eggs are the ultimate quick and easy protein source. The basics like scrambled, fried, poached, and boiled. Learn how to achieve the perfect yolk consistency for each dish. From breakfast to dinner, eggs are incredibly versatile. They can be used in omelets, frittatas, quiches, and even as a binder in burgers and meatballs. And don't forget about egg storage. Learn how to store eggs properly to ensure they stay fresh and safe to eat. By mastering these pantry staples, you'll be well equipped to create delicious, healthy, and satisfying meals with ease. So go forth, my culinary friends, and conquer your kitchen. Embrace the versatility of rice, pasta, grains, and eggs, and enjoy the journey of discovering new flavors and techniques. Remember, becoming a great cook is a skill that develops over time. So practice, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With each dish you create, you'll learn something new and become more comfortable in the kitchen. Happy cooking.